What do you do when life gives you snow? Really, what do you do? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have a two-part video. First, I want to share with you the unfair advantage that I have right now, which is the snow. By the way, if you watched last week's video when I had no power and everything kind of went to crazy, thanks for all your concerns. Everything is good now. We have electricity, Bambi has heat, everything is back to normal. I was able to charge my camera battery so that I can come up with a regular video for this week. So again, thank you very much for your concerns. Now, this is my unfair advantage. So when you have snow, you take pictures of snow. Lifestyle, what is lifestyle in snow? Yes, I went out, I bought a little remote, a wireless remote, so now I can trigger the camera from far away. But I took some pictures of playing with the snow, throwing snowballs, just playing out in a beautiful spot. Like, I mean, look at this, it looks beautiful. That's why I was a little upset last week, is because I was so busy trying to fix the electrical thing. I had no time to make pictures of this, and this is beautiful. So today, I went out earlier, I took some photos, I did some video, all for stock. One thing for stock is you need lifestyle photos. So yeah, these photos of me playing and throwing snowballs and playing out in the woods with the snow, those look good, but lifestyle photos, this thing, cleaning the Jeep, cleaning the car, cleaning the windshield, shoveling, get the snow shovel, start shoveling the driveway, around the car. All of these are photos that are lifestyle that I guarantee are going to sell. Well, I can't really guarantee it, but I'm going to be uploading them and I'm going to pin a comment when they do start selling. It's easy. Now I have the camera with the flippy screen. I can see that I'm focused. I see my audio. It didn't work earlier. I have the remote so I can focus on myself and take pictures of myself as I'm doing these activities, these everyday activities, which is what sell for stock. I know sometimes we want to get complicated and do really cool shoots. That's not everyday things. Stock is simple, everyday things. That's what tends to sell. Photos of strawberries, these sell also, but if you have a concept, they're gonna sell more. Why? Because strawberries don't change. A picture of a strawberry from 10 years ago is gonna be the same photo of a strawberry today. Climate change, weather patterns, all these things do change. People, styles, clothing, hair, all of these things change often, which is why those photos sell more than a photo of a strawberry. That's just how it is. I know the other one's easier, but if you're trying to make sales, then this will help. Anyway, I got one more thing for you. All right, so these were just some ideas to do the stock photos, you know, lifestyle. Use yourself as a model, just go out and take photos. But the second part of this video, which by the way, thank you very much for waiting this long and making it through so far. A lot of people only watch the first half and then they click off. So the fact that you're here, I have something for you. If you're a stock photographer, if you shoot volume like I do, thousands of photos every year, then you might need a little bit of help. This part of the video, this is not sponsored. I found a company, I found the business or an app that does keywording, titles, and descriptions, all using AI. A lot of people are worried that AI is going to take our jobs away and that we're not going to make any money. There's also tools that can help you simplify the process and get more and more out there, which is the whole point of doing stock, is to get those numbers. Now again, this is not sponsored. The company is I'm Stalker. I actually bought the subscriptions to both of them, the I'm Stalker Studio and Vision. I'm Stalker Studio is one place where you can upload your photos to all of the other agencies. You can manage everything here. It's an FTP upload. You can even copy the keywords, title, description. You can manage everything from here. And if you don't have keywords or titles or descriptions, from here, you can tap into Vision, which is a separate membership. It's a little bit more expensive. That's about $100 a year. I'm Stalker Studio, I think it's like $3 a month or $30 a year, something like that. It's not a lot. The time it saves, I think, is totally worth it. But if you do volume, I'm Stalker Vision. It's not perfect, and I'm just trying it out now. They are offering a 30% discount, which is why I'm making this video without running extensive tests. Usually I like to try things out a lot, but the discount's only through March, through this month. So I wanted to get that information out there, see if you like it, see if it's something that could work for you. And then, you know, if you're interested, there's gonna be a link down below with the discount code. So you can buy a year, you can buy a month, or you can buy individual keyword assets, I guess they call it. I forgot what they call it. The smaller one, you can do 150. Keywords are considered one. Titles and descriptions are considered another one. So if you buy the 150 and you want to do for all your photos, you can do 75 photos. When you buy the annual plan, you're allowed 5,000 of these assets a month, which means all complete 2,500 images. The thing is, if you have similar images, you can copy and paste. So you don't have to do them all. You don't have to use up all your assets with different photos. Now, in my case, I think this is going to be worth it. I have 20,000 photos from 2020, 20,000 photos from 2021, 30,000 photos from 2022, and I have no time because of YouTube to go in and keyword and tag and export these images. So if I can use this to do all that for me, and from one spot upload everything, then I think is going to be helpful. Again, these are tools. Sadly, I haven't had the time to try it as much as I could and see how many mistakes it has. I've only been able to run a couple of tests this morning with the photos of me cleaning the Jeep, cleaning the snow, or playing in the snow, and it worked great. I had a few mistakes here and there. It also does video, so you can keyword and tag your videos. Now, what I've noticed is the video doesn't transfer to the agencies yet, but I sent them an email and usually they're pretty good. The app, this program is not the easiest out there to use. It's not super user-friendly, but if I could figure it out, you guys can too. I sent a few emails back and forth with them trying to set up all the agencies because it works via FTP, and I was having some hiccups here and there, but they were very friendly and guide me through it step by step. They're programmers, I'm not, so their language is different than mine. They think everybody's at their same level, and I guess we're not all there yet. But if I could do it, you guys can too. Anyway, if you're interested in saving time and making your workflow more efficient, then I think this might be for you. Check it out. Like I said, I'm Stalker Studio. That one to me was a no-brainer, 30 bucks a year to be able to send images to all the agencies from one location. And then I'm Stalker Vision, which can help you with AI keywords, descriptions, and titles. So anyway, I just thought I'd bring this out to you. Link in description and the discount code as well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go out and take advantage of whatever your situation is. Go get the shovel. I gotta get the Jeep out.